How to start earning with freelancing at home, earn $100 per day in one day. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to start earning with freelancing from the comfort of your home. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your first $100 in just one day. First things first, let's talk about what freelancing is. Freelancing means offering your skills or services to clients on a project or contract basis. You get to choose what you want to work on, who you want to work with, and how much you want to charge. Step 1. Identify your skills. Think about what you're good at. Are you a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or social media expert? Make a list of your skills and pick the ones you can offer as services. Step 2. Create a portfolio. Showcase your best work. If you're just starting out, you can create some sample projects to demonstrate your skills. Your portfolio is your chance to impress potential clients, so make it shine. Step 3. Choose a freelance platform. Join platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These websites connect freelancers with clients looking for various services. Create a profile and make sure it's detailed and professional. Step 4. Set your rates. Research what other freelancers in your field are charging and set your rates competitively. Don't undervalue your work, but be realistic about what clients are willing to pay for someone at your experience level. Step 5. Start applying for jobs. Look for projects that match your skills and start sending proposals. Personalize each proposal to show the client that you understand their needs and how you can help them. Step 6. Deliver quality work. Once you land a job, make sure to deliver high-quality work on time. Good reviews from clients will help you get more jobs in the future and build a strong reputation. Step 7. Communicate effectively. Keep in touch with your clients throughout the project. Good communication ensures that you're on the same page and helps prevent misunderstandings. Step 8. Ask for feedback. After completing a project, ask your clients for feedback. Positive feedback will boost your profile and attract more clients. If you get constructive criticism, use it to improve your future work. Conclusion. And that's it. By following these steps, you can start earning $100 a day from freelancing at home. It may take some time to build up, but with dedication and hard work, it's definitely achievable. Good luck and happy freelancing! If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips, and leave a comment below with your questions.